Hello, Las Colinas, fabulous science students. Today we are going to be playing with magnets. So I have some iron filings that we are going to be sprinkling on top of some magnets right here. So my first magnet right here, there's just one magnet, and this is the north pole of the magnet, the south pole. So let me open up my iron filings. And again, you can't see the magnetic field, but when I sprinkle the iron filings very lightly on top, the magnetic field will appear. And you can see that it is strongest at the poles, but then the field does surround the entire magnet around like that, but strongest at the poles where most of the iron filings are, but there is a magnetic field around the entire magnet. So let's move on to my second set of magnets right here. I have two like poles at the top, two south poles at the top, and two north poles at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but I want you to see what happens when I sprinkle the iron filings on top of them, like this. Trying to sprinkle that lightly. Okay, and again, strongest at the poles, and they're kind of repelling right here. You can see that they do not want to be touching. These are the two like poles at the top and the two like poles at the bottom, but they are trying to move away from each other. You can see in this field down here, they're trying to move away from each other. In my third set of magnets, I have the opposite poles, a north pole and a south pole at the top. So let me lightly sprinkle some iron filings on this. Oh, and you can definitely see the magnetic field lines here. They are going towards each other because they are attracted, because these are two unlike poles. And you can see this arch right here where they would prefer to be connected together, the north pole and the south pole, where they are attracting each other. Same down here. These lines connecting them are showing that these are two unlike poles that are attracted to each other. Okay, so we'll move on to our next magnet project. See you in a second.